guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix C2 error on Singer Fashion Mate 5560. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Singer Fashion Mate 5560, in this case, there are going to be a few things that you can do here. So first is you need to halt your swing project. So as soon as you see the C2 error on your swing machine, or in this case your machine screen here, stop swing immediately. So this will prevent any further complications while you address the actual issue. Now, next is you want to switch off your swing machine, so by using the power button. And also it's important to power it down before we begin checking for any issues for safety reasons as well. Now, next is you want to inspect your bobbin case. So once the machine is off, you want to inspect the bobbin case, look for entangled threads or obstructions. Now in this case, it will look similar to this one. So in this case, you want to look for any entanglements or any obstructions that you might see in here. Now, once you've removed any obstructions or fixed any thread issues, now turn on the machine back on, and finally, the problem should be resolved. So you can resume your swing project here, and the C2 error should no longer appear. So you'll be good. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.